morning. So today we actually woke up in our van down by the river and oh, first class service. Thanks, babe. It's freezing, but iced cold coffee. Good one. Yeah. Is it chai latte? Pumpkin spice latte. Say good morning!
Good morning! Look at those mushrooms on the trees.
Oh, I didn't even see those. No, that's okay. So my amazing wife just brought me coffee. And she just bought some of this like pre-made coffee. So it was like a quick morning coffee. It's cold out right now, but it's not the coldest. And it's first time it's actually not raining.
There's nothing graceful about this.
What a beautiful morning! Hello, red trees and yellow trees. Alright, so we just made it back to the van. We just saw the water for a little bit and now we're gonna make some breakfast. Babe, what you making for us in the kitchen?
So,
Burrito!
Liz's request.
Yes, because it's been like 18 years.
I think I realized why I don't like making burritos.
Why?
Because they're so time consuming.
I think when we meal prep them, like if there was tofu already made, like the last time, it was just boom, 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 and it was so fast. We can do that when we want to have them, or like freeze them. But yeah, we're gonna make some burritos. Destiny already have us coffee.
Dogs are playing outside.
Yes, the dogs are outside playing. And we're putting potatoes and tofu scramble.
Yep.
Also, what I mentioned earlier, this is what we are drinking.
Delish.
So good. And it was just quick and easier than her taking out the whole stove and warming us up coffee right away. Which we'll probably might have later. Because why not? It's cold.
Very cold. Alright, potatoes are cold.
Destiny just made these burritos and they're so good. Tofu scramble with potatoes. Hello. So we ate our breakfast and then we actually work today, so we are clocked in, or we don't always do this, but I decided to take a shower and it's a mess, but this is my shower because we don't have a shower in here, and this is my little curtain for my wife. No reason, but yeah, it's been a really long time since we've showered, so I just wanted to feel fresh and is that time for you to wake up from your nap? Alright, I am fresh and showered. The wife is taking a shower. You actually can't see, which is great. At all. Do not have a shower. We are boiling hot water and using our projector screen to be a curtain. Hi, babe.
They can really see my reflection.
No, you're covering. just parked at this. It's actually a pull off, and it's probably one of the less normal things. We typically never stay at pull offs unless it's like emergency, need to go to sleep, or like nowhere else. So this part, we saw like a friend, and I just asked her for the coordinates, which was perfect. But then I noticed it was also an iOverlander, which is an app that we use to find free campsites, which is amazing. So yeah, we have just been here for a few days now, right? A few days now. And yeah, so we are nowhere near Planet, and that's why we are taking a shower this way. No like community center, there's really nothing around us like a campsite, but we would probably have to pay for the campsite to sleep there. Anyways, rambling. But yeah, we're just hanging out here all day. It's kind of cozy. We are working, unfortunately, so that's why we're not like moving or exploring. But it's also nice sometimes for us to do that, so we can just have like a very lull kind of day. So yeah, I'm gonna work on some YouTube videos, some editing, and then also some planning, which is what I usually do, all of the planning to see what we're gonna see, doing the research, and yeah, it's kind of what our day is gonna consist of. Alright, we are both showered and clean, and now we're making some lunch. I don't know why that made me choke. We're making tomato toast, and we used to make it our own way with tomatoes. It's pretty much just sourdough, tomato, and cucumber on top of it with hummus spread. Destiny used to, the way she started, and if you've ever seen a video of ours, I'm sure we've eaten it before, but she used to make homemade hummus, and then hummus on the bread, and then we drizzle, was it balsamic? We would drizzle balsamic on top. But we found this new way through our cookbook that we just recently got, and she put Za'Tar on it, and we didn't have any, and we couldn't find any in the stores. So I took it upon myself to make some. So I'm gonna make some right now while Destiny's toasting the bread, and then we're gonna have that for lunch and probably watch a show. Well, if you ever need to use this, or if you just want to make some Mediterranean Za'Tar on some, thank you. So some cumin, oregano, thyme. That's all we got. Baby. Just kidding. And then some sesame seeds. This one says salt, and I don't remember putting salt unless I put garlic salt. But we're gonna do a little bit of sea salt. This is Himalayan salt, but I really don't remember doing that last time. This is the finished look. It smells delicious. I wish you could smell it through the phone. Now we're gonna cut these. Three toasts done, and we have some garlic hummus here. Sorry, my head's a little cut off, but you know what? It's just the way that goes. Okay, so you just spread some hummus.
Feeds me.
Lunch is served. And this is our tomato toast. And we're hooked on this new show, whatever it's called. Who is Aaron
Carter?
Yeah, Who is Aaron Carter? How do you feel about it? Who is Aaron Carter?
I think she's an assassin.
That's what I said. I think she's also an assassin. Yes, I did. You're like an assassin.
She's supposed to be like me.
No, I literally said that last night. I did.
You guys,
We could agree.
who do you believe?
Me.
No.
Guys,
plate, please.
who talks to you here more?
That doesn't mean you say all the truth.
Yes, I do. Anyways, I said I think she's an assassin. Jesse said, oh, really, an assassin? But then after you saw some ass kicking, yeah, if you like mystery and some gory fighting, I would say this is a good show. I might be late to the game. I've never even heard of it. It just showed up and now we're stuck on it. Episode 2. So we're gonna eat our tomato toast and watch the show until we have to go back to work. Bleh. What have we been doing today?
Oh, babe, you're pulling my hair.
You're blowing my hair.
Working?
Working? So we have pretty much just been working. All day.
It was such a nice day.
It was a really nice day. And we got out a little bit. For a little bit, but not much time. But that's okay. We slept in a little, but sometimes your body needs that. Woke up at like 9. What?
It's earlier than that.
I don't think so. Was it 8? Well, anyways, we also went to the grocery store, but that was not recorded. That's okay. But Destiny's making some ramen over there. We're gonna have some yummy ramen. It's a cold night. We're still working, and the bad thing for us is we work West Coast hours. I may have said this before, and if you've heard that here and you've been here before, I'm sorry, but we work West Coast hours 9 to 5, 9 to 6, and we are on East Coast out like time zone, so we don't start till noon and we don't get off till 9. So
Lame.
yeah, it's very lame. It's very draining at times, but
All the time. I'm always tired because I feel like I get up when it's ready for bed.
yeah, when it's ready for bed. When it's ready for
When
bed.
it's time for bed.
Yeah. So, and we get off at 9:15, and then we'll one thing we have been doing that's better is cooking before we're actually off so we can eat. So we try to eat around our like break time, which is 4, which is technically 4:45 to be exact, and then it's almost 8 o'clock. So that's helping us go to bed earlier, but then we like want to do the after work things like lounge, decompress, talk, call a family member or friend, read a book, which we haven't been doing, watch a TV show, which we've been doing a lot of. So yeah, it's a little, and I can't say it's a little adjustment because like on our days off we adjust very well. Like the other day we explored, we woke up early and we were ready to go to bed by 8. So it's just the job, so maybe we should get it removed. Just kidding. No, we are grateful for our job, not complaining here. It allows us to travel, so we are happy about that. And to continue to travel, so. It's a kind of boring day, but this is a typical day, what our day looks like. And if we're not in our home, sometimes all day, and even if we're at a park, but today it's cold and then half raining.
On and off, like sprinkling.
Yeah. And if not that, then we're in a coffee shop. So we're either inside or inside.
I like working in the van.
I do like working in the van.
It's quiet.
Sometimes it's a lot quieter, but sometimes I just need a good like space to just lay all my things out. We need a bigger office space because this is what we got here. This is what we got working out.
Yeah. The kitchen's half the van.
Yeah, literally. That's a tiny home. If we ever build anything bigger, I want a designated. A bedroom with a wall.
Yeah.
We're talking about work though, so I was gonna say a designated workspace, like a work area, a desk, maybe even one that stands up. Oh, that was really funny. We clearly know what she wants and what's on her mind.
Uninterrupted sleep.
Uninterrupted
light
sleep.
sleeper.
Yeah, you really are. You need like double soundproof. We'll double lock that one. We're talking as if we're planning something. We have no idea.
Sound deadening.
Yeah. Anyways, we'll get back to you when our ramen is done. This kind of turned into what I eat in a day, and it wasn't meant to be that. It was just supposed to take you long on our day. And we did nothing, so I'm sorry, but welcome to van life. Not all days are exploring, and that's a reality. And I'm okay with it. Cozy time in our home, cause we love our home. Alright, so the wife really knows how to get down with the ramen. With the ramen. This was our sriracha. Give me my hand. This was our sriracha replacement.
Don't buy it.
Oh,
It only tastes good in the soup.
yeah, only in the soup. So sprouts.
Not specifically.
You want some?
Sure. Is that too much?
Yeah.